Body Revival? Body Revival is an Ayurvedic liquid formulation which our company Health Reactive has been manufacturing from past many years. Body Revival is a time-tested and clinically tested formulation. It is a unique formulation. Why it is unique? I'm going to tell you now. Because from the beginning of manufacturing till it comes in the market, there is a whole process which we follow. Body Revival is made of 9 research-backed herbs. These herbs we purchase from the finest and most credible distributors of India. When we purchase these herbs from the distributors, they provide us with a quality control certification. But we don't stop there. We take each and every herb and send them for testing in a government authorized private lab. Once the report of these herbs comes, upon receiving a positive report confirming high quality, we initiate the body revival process. It is not just another process, it begins with the careful selection of each herb, blending them together, binding with pure honey, and packaging the preparation for market distribution. There is a whole process behind it. The formulation is kept for a specific period under controlled temperature conditions to naturally enhance its potency and quality. Once that process keeps going on, until our technical staff is satisfied that the quality and potency of Body Revival is come to the point they were expecting it to be. Thereafter, it goes for bottling. Once the bottles are packed, they undergo quality testing. Samples of Body Revival are then sent to a government authorized private laboratory for verification. And we are satisfied that it is a good quality product. After successful testing, it is distributed in the market for the benefit of consumers. So this is the whole process of Body Revival manufacturing, and we are proud to announce it is one of the first herbal products to undergo clinical human trials and successfully completed. Thank you.